Welcome. In this video, I will explain you how to define direct door controller and configure it. This will help you understand how to establish communication between COSAC monitor and direct door controller. So let's see how to make it online. But before starting, please note down the MAC address given on the door controller. Now click on COSAC web application. Enter the login ID SA. Then click on login. Next, set a 5-digit password in the next page. Now, log in using the default login ID SA and the password you set. Then, open the devices. Next, click on the door link and then click on the Add Door button. In the pop-up menu, click on Direct Door. On this page, the door number is the serial number of the door controller and it is assigned by the COSAC application automatically. Here, enter the direct door number and the door name. Then, configure the basic parameters. Activate the door controller. Next, choose the access mode depending on the model of your door controller. At this time, you need to know which credentials your door controller support. Refer the table. If you want to post events of this door for attendance marking, ensure that the Consider for T&A flag is enabled. After that, choose the types of internal readers. As you are aware, COSAC doors supports variety of smart and proximity cards. Select card reader type plugged in your door controller. Then, select the finger reader if your door controller is having fingerprint reader. Same way, configure the external readers if you have installed any. Then, under Time Settings, select the time format. Further, as per your company's timetable, define working days and working hours under Access Time. Next, click on the network parameters. Here, the IP address of the door controller will be detected and displayed automatically once it will become online. Now, enter the MAC address of the door controller you noted. Finally, save the page. Now, the presence of door controller reflects in the COSAC monitor, but still the communication between the COSAC monitor and door controller is not established, so it will be seen disconnected. To make it online, you need to enter the server IP details in the embedded web server Jeeves of the door controller. Using the default IP address 192.168.50.50 of the door controller, access the Jeeves. At this point, ensure that the default IP address of the door controller and IP address of the server are in the same subnet. Log in using the default login name and password. If the IP address of the door controller is not in the same subnet of COSAC application server, change it. Assign a new IP according to your network configuration. Then, enter the server IP address. Finally, save the page. To finish, log out. Now, communication between the door controller and the COSAC monitor is established and it is seen as connected. Thank you for being with me. For more help, please contact Matrix Technical Support.